Hey guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, if you are not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every single Monday and Thursday, and I do Boxycharm reviews, unboxings, and try-ons every single month. So this video is going to be my March 2018 Boxycharm unboxing, and this is the look that I created with all of the products in the box. So if you want to see what I got in my box and see how I used them to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have my hair pulled back and some of my face done, and I have the Boxycharm right here. The theme this month is vacation. So the first product that I am seeing, I'm not going to be using because I already have makeup on, but it's the South Main 3 eye gel packs. And these are a set of 3, so you can do it 3 times, and it's just like masks pretty much for under your eyes, if you can see right here. And this pack of 3 retails for $10. I might give these away, but as either me or someone else will get use out of these. The next product that I see that I'm going to be trying out is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the shade Hush Blush. It's a super pretty shade, and this is actually the color that I was hoping to get. The other shade that they sent out was super bright pink, and I did not want that shade because that would just not be flattering on my skin tone. But this is definitely a really pretty blush color, and I don't have a color like this, so I'm just going to go ahead and try this out. Ooh, it's really powdery. It's really powdery.
Felt like nobody was there. Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like...
Alright, so as you saw, that blush was really powdery and pretty pigmented, but it blended out really well. And I always apply my blush with this brush, just right here, and I put a lot on. And then I use this brush to blend it out and diffuse the edges. And I really liked this color on my skin tone, and I think that it blended out nicely. So I'll definitely have to give this some more like trials before I can like tell you if I like it or not. But I'll definitely play around with this a bit more. And this is the first product that I've ever owned from the brand Pretty Vulgar. So I'll definitely have to keep trying it out. The blush is $26. The next product that I see is this 3 brush set, and it is from the Vintage Cosmetics company. It's the Smoky Eye brush set. So it has step 1, so step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and then step 3, go girl go. And the card on here tells you kind of like what each brush is for, but the brush set retails for $23.15, and I'm going to be trying those out with the next product. And the next product, I'm kind of disappointed in the packaging in. Like, they sent it in just a white sleeve, and it's the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics collaboration palette. It's just called eyeshadow palette. Like, they didn't come up with a name for it. It's white with this on it. It just looks like a sticker that they put on the back of the Kylie Cosmetics palette. There's not a cute name. It's just plain white with silver. And that's kind of disappointing because the last palette we got from Pure was really cute. It was marble. It had rose gold on it. The colors, on the other hand, are very, very pretty. So I'm going to try them out. And I will also insert a clip of swatches right here. Alright, so here are some swatches of the eyeshadows. I'm kind of disappointed in the quality as it turns out. I'm probably going to end up doing a full review on this product. A lot of the metallics aren't very metallic. They're more satiny, and the mattes are pretty powdery, and they just wipe right off. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up doing a full review on this palette just to try it out in more ways. So if you're interested in that, then just go ahead and leave a comment down below so that I know you would like to see that video. Also, I'm not going to necessarily use the brushes in the order that they tell me to. So I'm going to start with this step 2 brush. It looks like I could get something into the crease, and I'm going to go into the color Naked, and I'm going to apply that into my crease and blend it out. Alright, that color is really pretty and it blends out really well. I did actually end up placing it in the crease with this brush and then blending it out just with a blending brush because I found that even though this is a bit fluffy, it didn't blend it out the way that I wanted it to, but I am going to try going back in with this brush to the color Belle. It's this pinky color right beside Nakey, and I'm going to pick it up on this brush again and go in a little bit more precisely. Alright, I really love the effect that that's giving it. It kind of blends together. The two colors blend together really seamlessly. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the color BFF, which is this really bright purpley shade, on the step 1 brush. And I'm just going to pack that on the inner and outer corners lightly. I don't want this color to be super, super intense, but I do want a little bit of this color in there. Alright, so I also really like the way that that color blended out, and for the center of the lid, I swatched both Squad and Bay because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. This one is Squad and this one is Bay, but I think I'm going to go in with Squad, which is that color, and I'm going to place that on the center of my lid. Alright, so I also went ahead and did the bottom lash line with the step 3 brush, and then I used Nakey, Belle, and BFF, which are the 3 matte colors that I used in the crease. And then on the inner corner, I also used the step 3 brush, and I used the color Charmer. And that is, I thought it was going to be too dark, but it turned out to be a really, really pretty inner corner color. This palette says it retails for $36, but it is a Boxycharm collab, so I don't think you can actually buy it, but I'm not sure, so don't take my word for that. The last product is a mascara, and it is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and this retails for $20. Sorry I keep looking down, I have the card in front of me. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that, and I'm going to use the mirror in this palette. This is what the brush looks like. Alright, this is what it looks like with just one coat, and yeah, I think it looks really pretty. A lot of product does come off of the wand when you get it out. If you can see, it has the tip is really coated in mascara, so you just gotta wipe it off, and it works really beautifully, and I will definitely have to keep playing around with this, see how long it lasts, stuff like that, but I'm gonna finish my face off camera and be right back. Alright, and this is the look that I created with the boxes and the March 2018 Boxycharm. The total value of this box was $115. The price that you're paying for the box is about $20. And yeah, you're getting $95 more than what you are paying for, and that's really good value. In this box, I really liked the blush and the mascara are probably my favorite too. The palette is okay. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. They blended really well though, and I really wish they just would have taken more time with the packaging. It's just kind of cheap feeling to me. But overall, I really like the look that I created with it. The brushes, I'm not really one to get excited about brushes, so I'm not like super excited about the brushes, but they did perform well. And the eye patches, like I said, I don't usually use masks like that, but I will try them out or give them away. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe if you are not already. I post videos every single Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for my next video. Bye!